So welcome back again, and today I will teach you how to make a base cream. So we'll be using this base cream to make or pro-mix different kind of cream on this channel. So please make sure you watch this video to the end, and also make your own base cream and keep at home, because I'll be using this base cream to customize different types of creams that you can use for face and for body. So this base cream is actually for face and for body. So first of all, you need your scale. Please, if you're following me here, you need scale, very important. And this is my beaker. It is washed and dry, so I'm just sterilizing to make sure I clean off every dirt. So just make sure you clean your beaker properly. So the first ingredient we'll be adding here, we'll be adding our e-wax here. E-wax is actually an emulsifying e-wax. I'm adding my emulsifying e-wax. Please take your scale back to 0. This is my e-wax. I'll be adding my e-wax. So I'll drop all the measurements on the screen in case you want to make your own. So I am using emulsifying e-wax. You can use any wax of your choice. Then I mix the emulsifying e-wax with another kind of wax that is named Montanov 68. So you can use any kind of e-wax. We have silky e-wax, emulsifying e-wax, BTMS 50, BTMS 25, different types of e-wax. So any e-wax of your choice you can add. So next I'll be adding in my co-emulsifying e-wax, which helps to support the main e-wax I just added. This is cetyl alcohol. So I'm adding in my cetyl alcohol. So this cetyl alcohol will actually help the main e-wax I added here it helps it to be more creamier, and makes it more conditioning to the skin. Since this is a base, I'm going to use a oil that is non-comedogenic. That means oil that will not clog the pores, that is not heavy on the skin, because I want to use this cream for my face and body. So you can use any oils of your choice. For me, I'm using sunflower oil. So anytime I want to customize a cream, I can equally add in extra oils of my choice. So I added in sunflower oil. So this is our oil face. I'm going to place this on a double boiler, and next we are going to weigh out our water face. So it's time to weigh out our water face. So this is my oil face, this is my water face. I'm going to place this on a double boiler for this to dissolve and for this to heat up. While those are actually dissolving, I've sterilized my stick blender, because this time around I'll need this to mix. And make sure your stick blender is clean, and make sure you spray your alcohol or sterilize your stick blender. While making this cream, you have to be careful so that your cream will not get contaminated, because if your cream gets contaminated, that is what makes your cream not to be effective. And you have to make sure you sterilize your environment. Make sure everything you're using is your environment is clean. Spray isopropyl alcohol, or you go to pharmacy and tell them you want to buy spirit. For me, at times when I don't have isopropyl alcohol, I just pour Moco spirit into my bottle spray and spray everywhere. So you can see this is dissolved. I'm going to bring down immediately. So here is my water face, and this is my oil face. You can see the oils are dissolved. So I'm checking the temperature of this water. Right now the water is on 114 Fahrenheit. And right now my oil is on 149 Fahrenheit. That is, my oil is hotter than my water, and I would like to work in between anything not less than 100 to 120. So right now we are good to go. We can actually blend right now. So I'm going to pour my oils here. And this is my distilled water. We are going to leave this to cool down a bit because this is still hot, and we'll come back to check the viscosity. This is our base cream. The cream is almost cool, but it's still warm. By the time it becomes very cold, it will still be thicker than the consistency we are seeing here. This is a base cream, so it needs to be a little bit thicker than the normal lotion, okay, because we will be adding some lightening powders and all that by the time we are customizing this cream. So at this period, it's becoming like it's looking so lush and creamy. So I'll go in and add in my other ingredients. I'll be adding in my glycerin. I'm using vegetable glycerin. You can use propylene glycol. You can even use honey powder. We have an active called honey powder. So I'm adding in my tocopherol, which is vitamin E oil. You can use any vitamin E oil of your choice. I'm adding in my preservative. Please, oh, you have to preserve this. You have to add in a broad spectrum preservative so that your base cream will be able to stay up to a year or two. So this base cream will stay up to a year or two if you use a good preservative. So give this a nice stir. I'm actually using my spatula. You can use stick blender, you can use spatula at this point to mix. So this is 500 grams of base cream. I intentionally make this much because I'll be using this to customize different types of cream on this page. So please turn on your notification post, and in case you want to learn how to make skincare products, we are available for training. Please send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. Please make your own base cream, all right? So at this point, this has been washed. It is air dried, and I also sterilized with my alcohol spray. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. Please, before you bottle, make sure your cream is cold. So this cream is lightweight. It is very lightweight. You can use this cream on the face. So this base cream is very lightweight. It can be used on the face, it can be used on the body. So just stay tuned. I'm going to be customizing cream, different types of cream using this base cream. So you can make yours, and please let me know down there in the commenting section below after you've made yours. And yes, have in mind that this will still be more thicker than this when it is 100% cooled down. So right away, I'm just going to drop this. I won't cover this yet because it's still warm. Okay, so when it is finally cold, then I can cover it. So thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.